My online program, the DIY Video Roadmap that has been in the works for months, is finally available for purchase. And in this video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should buy. Now, at any point throughout this video, if you are convinced that this is a good fit for you, then you can head on over to the description below and click the link to purchase. Reason number 1 is that this program outlines the fastest method for producing consistent video content in 2020. So within the program, I tell you exactly what to buy, exactly how to set it up, and how to edit in the fastest way so that you aren't spending hours and hours in the editing room. In fact, you can watch the program and create your first video within 1 day. I have had multiple beta testers go through the program and they have proven that just in 1 day, you can turn around a video. Now, I have broken the gear down into 3 different tier levels, starting with your iPhone, then a mid-grade camera, as well as a pro consumer camera, so that you can choose the gear that fits your budget and your vision. Reason number 2 is that this is not just a training program. This is your new standard operating system for video creation. So say you want to hire someone down the road, or you would like to take one of the sections of video, say editing, and pass it off to someone else to be able to do that. You can use this training to teach your team how to execute. And they will be doing it in an efficient way to save you time and money. Take it from me, someone who has been outsourcing for 6 years and that worked with multiple subcontractors throughout my day, having a standard operating system for your video creation is going to save you hours and hours of managing headaches and projects gone wrong and last minute deadlines falling through or anything like that. So this is the simplest way to onboard a team and make this your new standard video creation process. And finally, reason number 3 to join the program is because I am going to be your #1 cheerleader as you move through this process and launch your online presence with video. I know what goes into this, the amount of dedication it takes, the amount of self-doubt that you have to overcome in order to get in front of the camera and make it happen. And I am going to be cheering you along all the way. We are going to have a community for accountability, and I'll be going live in the community to answer any questions, as well as offering 8 weeks of office hours where you can hop on and ask me any questions. Whatever is holding you back from creating videos, I am your #1 fan and ready to make this happen. Having said all of that, I am not going to continuously offer this program. I am going to be doing it in groups of people that join. So this first group of people can only sign up until Thursday at midnight. So I am on Central Time in the US, so that is January 30th at midnight. So if you are interested in this, be sure to sign up right now because this offer is not going to last. And the next time that I do this, I am going to raise the rates significantly. So if you are even slightly curious, you will have lifetime access to this, and now is the time to join. So with that, I am going to sign off, but I look forward to seeing you on the inside and helping you launch your online presence this year. Let's do this.